How do I obtain a passport during a custody battle? Attorney Ronald Thomas explains that. The question is whether the other parent can object. If you have sole custody or sole legal decision-making authority, you should be able to obtain a passport without obtaining the consent of the other parent. If custody or legal decision-making authority has not yet been established, your ability to obtain a passport without the other parent's consent depends in part on the child's birth certificate. If the parent seeking a passport for the child is not listed on the passport, that parent will be unable to obtain a passport absent the other parent's consent. However, if the parent seeking a passport for the child is the only parent listed on the child's birth certificate, that parent should be able to obtain a passport without the other parent's consent. If the parents have court-ordered joint custody or joint legal decision-making authority, the consent of both parents will be needed. If one of the parents objects to the issuance of a passport for the child, the parent seeking the passport will need to obtain a court order permitting that parent to apply for a passport over the objection of the other parent. There are other requirements that must be met before a passport will be issued by the U.S. Department of State. You should visit the U.S. Department of State's website to find out all of the requirements before seeking a passport. Call Thomas Law Office today at 602-788-1395 to discuss your case in detail. And you can also visit www.thomaslawoffice.net. Mr. Thomas approaches his cases with not only compassion for his client, but with a zealous, persistent form of advocacy.